So I just got the wing repaired, and I've got the CG pushed forward a little bit, so I would expect I would need a lot of up elevator to keep this thing in the air. The flaps are set a little bit down, so there's a little bit of camber in the center section, and that's going to increase the need for up elevon. I can see the elevons are kicked up a little bit right now, so I think that's probably good to launch. Launched it into a stall, so I stuffed the nose down to get flying. And these conditions are pretty light. I can see seagulls are flapping, so this is going to be a minimum sync flight. And it is turning left. And we'll fix that. So that's probably pretty close to minimum sync. I don't think I'd want to yank a hard turn or anything like that now, but it's good enough lift to fly, so get a feel for it after the wing repair. I think this time of year we have many weeks of this kind of light lift. So I might take out the 1 ounce of lead I've got in the nose. I'll see how squirrely it is with a hot turn, speed it up a little bit and see how it does with a fast turn. Yeah, so at that speed there's no problem. I'll speed it up a little bit. Speed it up a little bit more. Chase some seagulls. Oh, hey, I'm out flying a seagull. There we go. Well, maybe he wasn't trying. Alright, speed it up a little more. I'll speed it up until it's flying right at the horizon. And so far it's maintaining lift pretty good with each click of nose down. So maybe these aren't such bad conditions. Oh, that was a little bit of a tip stall. Fast now for these conditions. Oh, there we go. Come on, eek. So it was a tip stall, and I think I gave it too much nose up to try and get out of it, and that didn't work with the altitude that I had.